How to customize physical keyboard shortcut on Android. Now in order to do that, just simply open your settings and scroll down to all the way to bottom and you will find the option of General Management. Select General Management and choose Physical Keyboard under General Management. Simply tap into that and you will get this option of Customize Keys. Tap to Customize Keys and from here you can customize different options in your key. Now in order to customize the shortcut for caps lock, control, command, alt and esc, just simply tap into those specific option that you would like to change and you can select from the available option. For example, let's see for this caps lock, I can choose caps lock button, control button, command button and alt and none. Just simply choose the option that you would like to set in order to create the shortcut. Then after selecting all this, you can also change the shortcut buttons for app shortcuts by going in here. For example, if you type command plus B, it will open Brave app. Now, if you want to set some other application at command B, just simply select in here. For example, let's select Samsung Health and it will change it like this very easily. Now, this is how you do it. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.